If you are looking for a quick fix, I'm going to show you how to use garlic. Hi, my name is G. Colombo and I'm all about natural cures. Not only does garlic have an amazing benefit, but it's also really easy to incorporate in your diet. I've got some awesome tips on how to start including this powerful food into your life today. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant. Garlic is a tasty, all-natural way to protect yourself from harm radiation and free radicals. According to numerous studies conducted by the National Academy of Medicine, garlic contains powerful antioxidants that could have therapeutic effect for humans, including protection against cancer and heart disease. This fragrant bulb also have antiviral properties thanks in part due to its high level of sulfur compound which kill bacteria at an accelerated pace. Not only does this help reduce your risk in catching infection like cold or flu, but it can minimize bacterial growth when applied typically on wounds near the eyes area as well. Garlic helps to lower cholesterol level in the blood. Garlic is a well-known spice that has been touted as the key to lowering cholesterol levels. In addition, it can also be used in cooking or raw and eaten for its benefit, such as improving blood circulation by thinning out your blood so fewer clots form on arterial walls. Garlic is not just an ingredient of delicious recipes. This age-old herb actually packs some helpful punch. Garlic helps lower bad LDL cholesterol thanks to allicin, which is stimulated bile production from liver cells. Garlic may even reduce arterial plaque buildup because one compound found within the breathable plant limits fat absorption. Garlic is essential for cardiovascular health. The research found garlic can be an essential staple to maintain cardiovascular health. A study published by the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry found that garlic is thought to improve vascular function, which may help reduce risk factors for heart disease such as cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Garlic does more than just give flavor. It's been shown to play a key role in maintaining one's overall well-being, specifically improving circulation through arteries with important antioxidant properties. Garlic can help protect against cancer and other types of degenerative diseases. A common ingredient in all of our favorite food, garlic has been used for centuries as a natural cure-all. This powerful and tasty plant kill bacteria that cause infection, have reduced cholesterol by preventing the absorption of fat from food into your bloodstream, strengthen blood vessels to keep them healthy and reduce hypertension, high blood pressure. Now, there's even more good news. Recent research conducted at Tufts University School of Nutrition found evidence suggesting that eating up to 2 cloves per day could have protective effect against certain cancer such as breast cancer. The benefit don't stop with just human either. Adding fresh garlic or powdered dried clove struck every few days can also help protect pet cats from potential deadly diseases like feline leukemia virus infection, while dogs who eat raw. Garlic promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. Garlic is a potent natural remedy that promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. It contains allicin, which protect the body from bacteria. Garlic has been consumed for centuries and is believed to be good for your health in many ways, including prevention of heart disease, high blood pressure, clogged arteries by keeping cholesterol level down, and lowering inflammation within the basal walls. Garlic also boosts immune system function with its antibiotic properties. Garlic does more than just help you smell better. When applied topically or taken orally, this spice root can promote healthier looking skin because of how it reduces bacterial growth on moist surfaces such as those found around acne lesions where dead cells are. Eating garlic can also boost your immune system by fighting off bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, and worms that cause infection or illness in humans. Garlic is notorious for strong flavor and smell, but it can also provide a multitude of health benefits. Eating garlic daily has been shown to improve the immune system by fighting off bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites that cause illnesses in humans, making this pungent plant an essential component of any healthy diet. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.